Oh yeah, and also you're gonna need either a PayPal account or possibly even a Bitcoin wallet if that's what you're into. But you're primarily probably gonna want a PayPal account to deposit into your bank account. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, guys. So the first app that we're gonna be looking at is BuzzBreak. Now the way that BuzzBreak works is you're basically just gonna look at articles and make money. Now, if you're anything like me, one of the first things that I do when I wake up in the morning is I look at my phone and I look at the news. And I'll literally spend like an hour on my phone looking at the news, looking at all kinds of cool stuff um, like stuff that's been happening in like celebrity news. I know just recently there was a video released by the Pentagon about some UFOs that got released. I don't know when you guys are going to be watching this video, but yeah, that's a pretty cool news story that I'd probably look at, and just like various other cool things that um, I waste time looking at in the morning when I pull out my phone. So with BuzzBreak, what's gonna happen is you're gonna uh, have it on your phone, and every time that you look at a news article, you're actually going to make money, and that money can be redeemed into your PayPal account. And if we go over to the App Store right here, you guys can see that they actually have a 4.4 rating on here, guys. That is quite a bit of positive reviews. So, yeah, they're doing pretty good, guys. So, BuzzBreak, highly recommend it. It's a fairly good platform to look into, and yeah. Now, the next one. I actually don't know how to say this. Let's come over here. Okay. Never mind. So this is I don't even know how to say that. Munfist. So you're gonna create, you're gonna get rewards, and you're gonna raise your influence. So they are on a mission to democratize the influencer market. The digital profile is a key underutilized asset of our time, and we are here to change that. So, how this works is it is a fast-growing lifestyle app that allows everyone to become creators and brand ambassadors. So, you benefit from the most valuable asset, and you support charities and causes that you care about. So, what happens is you make a branded photo or video in seconds. You post it and you share it with your friends on social media. Then, you receive payment within 24 hours, guys. Come on. And then you can withdraw that money and put it into your PayPal. So yeah, this is another very cool way to make some money. And we can come over to the Apple App Store right here, and as you guys can see, they have a 4.2 out of 5 on here, which is very, very cool. We go over to the Google Play Store, and they have a 3.8, also a very good score. So as you guys can see, this is a fairly trusted app that you guys should really look into, because you can do a lot of good for yourself with this. You can make a lot of money, and all you got to do is post stuff on social media. Like, you already do that anyway, so you're gonna be posting pictures of yourself or videos if that's what you want to do, and you're gonna be making some bank off it. Some bank. So let's keep on going. This is actually the method that's gonna probably make you the most money. This is called Daily Raffle. As you guys can see, it has a 4.4 on the App Store. So, Daily Raffle is a risk-free app with daily prizes up to $1,000, guys. Come on. This is not like any other game The chances to win are very high. Each ticket consists of 6 numbers between 1 and 9. To win your numbers, you should match at least the first 4 in the same order of the ticket shown in the results. Daily raffle is free and does not require any in-app purchases. So if you guys are not a fan of pay-to-play, then this is a good app for you guys. You can transfer the money to your PayPal account or Bitcoin wallet. So if you guys want to get your money in some cash, you can transfer it to PayPal. Or if you want to invest in some Bitcoin with your winnings, then you can put it into your Bitcoin wallet of your choice. The winner ticket is randomly generated before the draw starts. Its hash will be shown in the results page. At the end of the day, the winner ticket will be revealed with the key that was used to hash it. You can verify the integrity of the result by using numbers of the ticket and hash it with the key given at the end using the whatever algorithm that is. And they have a very, very, very positive review on here. This person gives it a 5-star. This person gives it a 5-star. This person gave it a 1-star, but that is what it is. And then this person gave it a 4-star. So, if you're trying to make some easy money, this is a perfect app. Not hard at all. And we can come over to the website. Yes, they do have an official website. And as you guys can see, this is not like any other game. The chances to win are very high. Each ticket consists pretty much everything that you guys have seen already. So, let's see. I think I should be able to... Let's see. I'm just clicking around, guys. But yeah. So, basically, all of these apps that I just showed you guys are very useful. And like I said, you can make up to $500 a day by using these apps simultaneously. So what you could do is when you wake up in the morning, you can use BuzzBreak. So you use BuzzBreak. You look at it for like 45 minutes to an hour, and you earn money. Simple as that. Then, after you're done doing that, you use Monfest. You get Monfest, and throughout the day, you take pictures of yourself. You put them on your Instagram, your Twitter, your Facebook, whatever you use. And what's going to happen with that is you're going to make a little bit of extra cash on the side. That's good. That's what you need. And then, after you have that done, you go over to Daily Raffle. Now, you keep on doing, raffle tickets. You keep on entering raffle tickets. And eventually, maybe not within a day, but within a couple of days, you'll earn somewhere between $100 and $1,000. Hopefully it's $1,000 because, I mean, who wouldn't want that? And by doing that, by doing this method, you guys should be able to make quite a bit of money. Now, even though you can make money with the method that I just showed you, you're still trading time for money. And to be honest, the way that I showed you how to make some